Golfers suffer mainly with lower back and neck and shoulder problems because most golfers don't warm up before they actually go out to play golf.
Maureen, explain to me a bit about this chair. How does it work?
This chair works on a sensor. You actually hold a sensor to see where you actually need the massage. And once you've sensed your body, which takes about 3 minutes, it then does the massage to suit what it's found. It'll also measure the length of your body, so it's suitable for everybody, because we're all different lengths of backs, different lengths in our whole body.
How do the medical profession feel about the chairs?
A lot of doctors have our chairs, physiotherapists have our chairs, masseuses use our chairs, so it's a chair for everybody.
Maureen, for those who mightn't have the room for the chair as a piece of furniture, what else do you have that you can recommend?
Well, we do the handheld massager, which is a percussion massager, ideal for localised spots.
I know when golfers go abroad, I mean, they're very discerning now with their palate, and they know what a good wine is, and we can offer really good wines to the golf clubs, the restaurants and the bars. One of our new imports now is a brandy called Cardinal Mendoza, which is from Jerez in the south of Spain. And Ireland being the country where Irish people love a glass of brandy, it's classed as one of the world's top brandies. It's fairly smooth, 15 years in the wood.
Of course, there's also the famous wine by the friend of Ireland, Mr. Mendes, who knocked out Wade Dooley.
Oh, Federico.
In Twickenham. He's a great friend to Ireland. Does his wine pack a punch as well?
It does actually. His wine, Cuevas del Puma, is one of his wines. It's the limited collection, which actually is quite a good, strong, beefy wine. It's Cabernet Merlot and a Malbec.